What's up, YouTube? Back again for another video, man. And I had to make sure I gave you guys an update. I've been working my ass off this week, and my birthday's next week. My birthday's on Christmas, so I've been being a little slacker on y'all. So gotta give you guys an update. Q4 is over, baby. Oh my God. Um, I'm happy and I'm disappointed at the same time. Um, I'm happy because I hit my goal. I said I wanted to be over $1,000 this month, and I did that. Um, but I'm also upset because I told myself, you know, post more evergreens. But I continue to post Christmas shirts after Christmas shirts because I just hit a great niche, and I just want to make sure I got those sales. But at the same time, I really should have stopped this month and just did all evergreen designs because I cranked out a lot of my Christmas designs that were selling in August. Um, so I should have just kept, doing evergreens, trying to get some more stuff ranking because all the evergreen designs that I had, before stopped selling. And one of the niches that I'm in ended up getting copywritten, the phrase, and I had to take them all down. I'm glad I caught that. I didn't get any takedowns, but I took them down. So this is why we stretch to evergreens, 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 because it's not often where evergreens actually get copywritten. Like if we're talking about career, doctors, nurses, different phrases like that, and job titles. And that's why you want to stay on your evergreens. My eyes got big and I seen what I was doing, and I was selling so many different shirts for this niche for Christmas, and kind of just said fuck my whole plan and was just like, okay, whatever. I'm just trying to get this band real quick, but so I'm not too mad, but I'm kind of upset because I didn't follow my own plan. And now they've stopped selling, and they stopped selling a lot quicker than they did last year. Amazon shipping times are like really suck ass right now, because of the pandemic and a bunch of other stuff that's going on with Amazon. So let's look at my month. Let me show you guys kind of what's been going on. I think I already have it pulled up. If you guys are wondering what extension this is Productor. I'm gonna probably be using this more often now than Pretty Merch. Pretty Merch has done some things with their app that I don't like, making it easy for people to steal your designs. And I think I'm gonna start supporting Productor more. Um, but anyway, this is what my month looks like. If you don't know how to read this, the red bar is for this year, and this gray bar is from last year. So my December 1st last year, I did 5 sales, and then I did 11 this year. So I'll let you guys look at this for a bit. My best day was 36 sales, which was great. So I made $133 in one day. And this whole month, I didn't do any ads. So a lot of you guys ask if I do ads. I haven't been doing any ads. So yeah, most of the sales stopped with my Christmas shirts on the 13th, which is like really, really early. 12 days before Christmas, and they dropped the fucking ball. A little pissed at Amazon, but hey, we gotta play their game. We, fuck it, So another thing I'm upset with, and I'm sure you guys are gonna start seeing it if you haven't already is returns. It's Christmas season, so you gotta think if somebody doesn't get what they want to gift somebody for Christmas, or they just want to wear a holiday shirt one time and return it. We're gonna get a lot of returns this season. It happened to me last year. I normally don't get a lot of returns because I know what product types not to really mess with, and I know what product types get a lot of reviews. I mean, a lot of returns. Um, so yeah, I want you guys to kind of look at this list box too right now. This is what I've published and how many returns I've got. And I have it on all, so this is all time. Um, the only thing that I think I haven't had any returns, well, actually, I have a bunch of things that I haven't had returns on, but I always get returns on V-necks, and it's really important to have ordered stuff from Amazon just to check out the quality of things. And V-necks, they fit so small. Like if you're not fit like a let me not say that. If you're not if you're not just skinny, you're not fit, like built like a thick woman, or you're not gonna like the shirt. If you're if you got some titties on you, you ain't gonna wear this damn V-neck, okay? Like I've ordered them, they run so small, you gotta like literally 2 sizes up from your original size, and a lot of people return these V-necks and the women's standard shirts also. So that's one thing I learned. I don't really post many V-necks unless I know it's catered to a woman. The design, raglans, I never post these because I've never once had a sale. As you can see, I've had 0 sales with these. Zip hoodies get a lot of returns too if you don't use the back print or the right side, because it just looks weird how they have it where it's the print right in front of the zip hoodie, and people don't like that. So I stopped designing like that this month or last month because I'm seeing they get returns a lot. I never get sales on Samsung Galaxies. I never really sell iPhone cases like everybody else. I never really cater to them because there's always something wrong with the iPhone cases. I've bought them, they fade really bad, or they always run out, or there's always something wrong with the damn iPhone cases. So I don't really put them on there, but that's one thing I'm probably going to start prioritizing is the pop sockets iPhones, in the cases, because they always have the shortest shipping time. These are the ones that get done faster, so I'm starting to realize that, so I might start fucking with that. And I sold 10 throw pillows this month, which really surprised me. It was my first time really putting on there, and I haven't had any returns yet, knock on wood. So I'm definitely gonna use throw pillows more than often. Now, another thing, I sold a lot of long sleeve shirts this month, and I don't usually sell those at all. So I'm definitely gonna start publishing more long sleeve shirts than I usually do. But yeah, you guys can just take a look at this for a second, screenshot it on your phone or whatever. Just going over the data. So I guess I can just talk about briefly on what my plan is going further after this month. Is to fill up all these live designs with nothing but evergreens. I might do maybe one holiday, but no, all evergreens. I'm gonna fill it all up, right? And then I'm gonna see what sells, and then I'm gonna start running ads after that. But I wanna fill this up first before I start spending bread, because I have so many slots available. So I'm gonna just see what happens with that, and I'm gonna make sure I tell you guys and show you guys what happened. Um, I'll probably start running ads again, maybe beginning of February. January is kind of a cool off month. Everybody's broke from Christmas. Um, and then around February, everybody will start getting their taxes and stuff. So that's probably what my game plan is now. I just wanted to share this with you guys. I had no idea what I was making of in this video today. I just literally rolled out the bed like, fuck, I owe them a video. So I'm just letting you guys know kind of what's going on. I appreciate all the new subscribers and all the love that you guys been sending me. Make sure you guys hit the sub button. Those that aren't subscribed. Smash that like button, comment, let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. And let me know if you guys want daily updates, because some people love them. Some people are like, no, we only want tips. We only want tips. So just let me know if you guys like these daily updates and just showing you guys what's going on. I know I see a lot of people's sales are dropping and they want to know if it's happening for everybody else too. So damn sure it is. My shit took a big hit. So yeah, hit that motherfucker sub button. Till next time, man.